Welcome everyone. How are you? So what we'll talk about today is knee pain. Okay, some people have been talking about knee pain, have been complaining about knee pain. So let's talk about that a little bit. Of course, there is pranic healing for knee pain, and pranic healing is very, very effective for knee pain. Knee pain sometimes starts at the start of what we call a mild arthritis, and it also can be caused by obesity. So it means if we're a little fat or we're a little overweight, then what that does is that it puts pressure on the knees, and because the knees are not supposed to handle that kind of weight, there begins to be pain in the knee. Okay, now what I would also like to cover, and this is, like I said, one of my favorite books. It's called Heal Your Body by Louise Hayes. This particular version is not available as much anymore. There's another book by her, Louise Hayes, called Heal Your Life. I would ask you to go through that for more detailed understanding. What I'm going to cover from here is basically a simple topic which says knee problems. So what she's got here is basically, the idea that physical pain is also caused to some extent by our mental patterns and also by our emotions, and vice versa. Okay, so emotions, well, I would say mostly it's the mental body and the astral body that causes the result of the physical pain. One more thing to keep in mind in this case is the role of angels. So when it's time for someone to get healed, what happens is that um, the soul sends a message to the chakras saying that, okay, buddy, it's time to get healed. You know, this person has learned their lesson, they're okay, it's time to get healed. Then what happens is that a healer comes into your life, or a healing modality comes into the life, and then the angels begin to manifest the healing. So the healing is actually manifested by the angels. Okay, so why are we talking about this? Is this is a quote by Master Choco Sui. He would often say, why are we talking about this? So we're talking about this because of knee problems. So it is here in the book by Louise Hayes. She says that a possible pattern, okay, it's not necessary for everybody, but a possible pattern for knee pain or knee problems is having a stubborn ego, having pride, having the inability to bend, having fear, inflexibility, and the inability to give in. So give in basically means that if someone's doing something, then you're just not able to give in. You just have to keep poking and poking and poking and poking and making sure that that person is doing things your way and no other way. Okay, so that's when sometimes knee problems happen. Now, again, this is a probable thing. It doesn't mean this is the only reason. It's just one of the suggestions. And if it appeals to you, so the idea is to give you food for thought. Okay. Okay. And what is the solution? The solution is forgiveness, understanding, compassion. What does that mean? These words. Forgiveness is basically, telling yourself or telling the other person that I forgive you for not being exactly the way I want you to be. Okay. Sometimes, I receive some criticism from some people, or even sometimes from my patients, they're like, how can you be like this? You're a healer. I'm not exactly here to foot into anyone's expectation of a healer or of a trainer. I am who I am, right? And I have my own weaknesses and I'm working on them, right? So forgiveness basically is being aware that just as we are not perfect and we cannot meet everyone's expectations, similarly, other people can also not meet our entire expectations, including a healer, a trainer, or anybody else in your life. Okay. Next is understanding. So understanding is, it's something to do with perspective. So let's say, for example, if I am looking at this bottle, okay, and I'm looking at it from here, then I see a certain view. Let's say in my view, I can see the nozzle, but you on the other side cannot see the nozzle. Okay. Now, if I put the bottle like this, then I can see this big circle and you can see this. You can see many circles. This is what I call perspective. Okay. It's a different perspective on just one little object. And, we have so many different answers, right? So if I ask you, what can you see? You may say, oh, I see many, many circles. But if you look this way, there's only one circle to see. If you look this way, it's got a shape like, small over here, big over here. If you look at it this way, it's big over here, it's small over here. So it's all about, to me, it's about perspective, and perspective is about understanding. So we have to understand that someone else is coming from a slightly different point of view, from their family background, from their karma, from their mental body, astral body, and their soul's journey. So it's going to be different. Okay. Okay. And compassion. So compassion is basically understanding that everyone's not perfect and that if there are some mistakes, then it's okay. Some of us look for mistakes. Some of us wait for family members to make a mistake and then we point out like, I told you not to do it this way, but you don't listen, right? We do that sometimes, right? We think we are being nice, but we're really not, because if they could, then believe you me, they would. So, one thing that I like to often tell myself is that everyone is doing the best that they can. They are doing the best they can. So if we go with that thought, then it's easier. Okay. It says the next thought pattern is I bend and flow with ease and all is well. Okay. So all is well is something that, Three Idiots, may Amir Khan talked about it many, many times. You just tell his heart, all is well, all is well, all is well. Remember, if you haven't, you must see that movie. It's called The Three Idiots by Amir Khan. And this book, like I said, is Heal Your Body by Louise Hayes. Why are we integrating all of this? Because we're trying to integrate knowledge from everywhere. We're trying to understand. So knee pain represents pride, ego, and inflexibility. So if we are having knee pain, we may want to think of something that we can change. Okay, it could be simple as, my child doesn't get up before 3 o'clock in the afternoon, or, my husband doesn't shut the door, or, my maid doesn't come on time. I don't know, whatever it is. It's something that you have to think about. It's something that you have to change, and you have to be like, it's okay. Okay. So to share about knee pain, I hope that was useful. The idea is, of course, that you can take pranic healing. Pranic healing will work on your etheric body. So the etheric body is basically the body that surrounds the physical body. It's the energy body. Okay, beyond that, we have the emotional and the mental body, on which we work on with psychotherapy. Pranic healing will work on your etheric body, which means this body. The affirmations will work on your mental and your emotional body. Psychotherapy will also work on your emotions and your mental body. Medicine will work on your physical body. So all of us together, teamwork, will get you healed.